think I just found the answer to my prayers. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be trying and reviewing the Wing Eyeliner by Gracie Piscopo. So my package came in the other day and I just couldn't wait to try it. I've been kind of busy, so I'm finally getting around to it. I wanted to show you what came in the package. So first of all, it comes with this cute little card with Gracie on it. If you don't know who Gracie is, I just like randomly found her on Instagram. I guess you could call her like an Instagram model. She's beautiful and I think she lives in Australia. She always has this like perfect winged eyeliner. Like that's just her like staple makeup look, and she always has a really beautiful thick winged eyeliner. Now, if you know me, or you don't even have to know me, but I cannot do winged eyeliner to save my life. I try and I get so frustrated and I have no patience to do it. Like it just turns into a complete mess and then it messes up all my makeup because I have to take it off and I just don't do it. So she came out with her own wing eyeliner stamps with an eyeliner. So one end is a stamp and one end's an eyeliner. So instead of me having to create my own wing, she did it for me. There's a little card that comes and it says, "Thanks, Angel," and it's a picture of her. And then on the other side, it says, "Thank you so much for purchasing. You can say goodbye to uneven eyeliner and hello to having perfect wings every time." And then it says, like, don't forget to use hashtag and follow us on Facebook and Instagram at the Wing Eyeliner. So there was 4 different sizes. Oh, by the way, don't mind my little stub. But there was 4 different sizes that you could choose from. I got the 8, which is the second one, because I'm not ready to like have a gigantic wing, but we'll see how it looks. And there's 4 different sizes. Now into how it came out of the package. It came in this cute little box with a little wink, and it says Wing. And then in the box were 2 pens, which it says left, one says left and then one says right, and on the top are the stamps and on the other side are the eyeliners, which I just thought was so creative. So you can't like mix up which eye you're putting it on and you're getting like a ton of product. And I think with shipping and everything this costed like $40. It did take a while to get here, almost 2 weeks. I do live in Massachusetts in the United States, so I'm going to swatch it on the inside of my hand because I just put self-tanner on and I don't want to put it on there and then scrub it off and then have a spot. All you self-tanner girls know what I'm saying. So should I swatch? Let me swatch the eyeliner and see. So this is what the tip of it looks like. Really nice felt tip. Wow, super black, very nice, impressed. See, so much easier on the front of my hand. Oh, now I also wanted to add on the side of the box that it comes in, it says it is waterproof, smudge-proof, cruelty-free, and vegan, which is awesome. All right, guys. I'm gonna try this. I'm like honestly super nervous because I don't have any huge plans today, so if I do something wrong or if it doesn't look good, it's fine. Me and my eyeliner are not good friends, so this is the right. Let me like triple check. Okay, this is the right stamp. And I think I'm just gonna put it in line with my bottom lash line, like just bring it right out. I don't wanna do it up or down too much. Just right in the center. Oh my god. It's magic! Oh my god, okay. What do we think? I kind of want to do my left one so I know that it's even and then fill them in. I don't know if I'm doing this wrong, but that's just what I want to do to make myself feel more comfortable. Okay. Okay, now this is where it's gonna get real because I need to make sure that they're even. Okay, so what did I just do? Okay. All right, so look. Please be even. Are they even? Not bad, right? Not bad? Are those even? Like, for the most part, they are. Okay. I think they're good for the most part. All right, let's fill them in. I think I just found the answer to my prayers. If I can fill this in correctly and it looks good and it's simple, I just found the answer to my prayers. All right, guys. I did my eyeliner, so I guess I should put some mascara on and I will give you my final thought. All right, guys, I'm back. I put some mascara on. If you can hear the lawnmower outside, I don't know if you can. Our lawn is being mowed. So, final thoughts. I'm so impressed, like totally honest, totally honest. I think I love her even more now. I don't even know her, but she's just super cute. But yeah, I totally am super impressed and I'm so glad that I got this because it is the answer to my prayers. Not to say that I'll do winged eyeliner like every single day, but I know now that if I want to, I can, and it's really simple. It took me like a couple minutes. So I'll leave all their information down below. I know that a lot of other brands have similar things to this. I just never personally, like, I don't know, I was kind of iffy about it. And then when she came out with it, I was like, she's like the queen of winged eyeliner. Like, let me give it a try because I'm desperate to do good winged eyeliner. So if you're in the same boat as me, I definitely recommend these. Like, if this is something that you want to have winged eyeliner but you suck at it, you're not alone. So highly recommend, totally impressed. So glad that this went so well. I really didn't know what to expect, but all good things from me. I'm super impressed. I think they look really good. They're pretty even, right? And so like I said, the way that I put them, I just put them like straight across. You could even like put them down a little bit so they're totally straight out, more of like the Bella Hadid vibe, or put like, angle it up more to do more of like the Ariana Grande, and it gives you an outline. So it gives you this stamp, and then all you have to do is fill in the line on the rest of your lash line. So I'm just so happy with this. So very cool, big thumbs up from me. And again, I'll leave all their information down below if you want to check it out. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would greatly appreciate it. I will see you guys very soon. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.